there, how are you? My name is Jorge Daniel and I want to welcome you to this Power Platform Essentials video series. This is video number 9 on this series that will take you through the works on Power Platform. Hey everyone, just to bring you up to speed and let you know that my videos are now being hosted here, the channel with the most lovely cat. Isn't he cute? So please give Spark a big thumbs up and show him all your love by hitting that subscribe button. In the last video, we have discussed forms. And if you have entered some records, you may have something like this showing. And this is the reason why we need to talk about views. Public views are those that are shown in the main screen, like this one. And you can have many of these, and your users can also create and share their own views. If you click on Edit Columns, you can add or remove fields, and then save the view for later use. Let's save this one as My View. You can also set this one as your default view. And then when you come back to expenses, it will show the view you have just set as default. To edit and create system views, you need to go into your solution. Choose the table you want to work with, go to Views and edit the view. From here, you can add all the fields you want. Let's say date, amount, and maybe count also. And the created on can maybe go to the right of the view. Once you're happy, save and publish the view. Remember, you can create many of these to attend to users' needs. Let's just wait a bit for it to publish. And it's done. And then we can go back to our app and refresh it. And active expenses. There you go. There is also the associated view. This one is shown when you go into the Related tab and ask for related records. Like in this expense type food, we have related expenses. This can be very useful and you should take care in customizing it. The lookup view is another one you should know about. This is used when you do a lookup. So if we go back to expenses and click new, this expense type is a lookup. And what you are seeing are the first 2 columns of that lookup view. Now, if you think of it, created on here makes no sense. So we can remove it from the view. For this, we need to go back to our solution and to the expense type table and edit the lookup view here. We can remove the created on column, save and publish the view. Now we can go back to our app and do a couple of refreshes here. Okay, this should be enough. And now in the lookup, we have only the name field. With views customized, you now have a very simple but fully working app. And in the next video, we will be looking at how to use it in your smartphone. See you soon! So how was the video? Was it helpful? If so, please like, comment, and subscribe. I bet Spark's gonna love it.